Welcome to the Ranjeet Kumar Show. Let's discuss about the coaching, where we give you insights and tips on all things business. Today we're diving into the concept of from the field to the office, applying coaching techniques in business management. Now, you might be wondering, what do sports coaching techniques have to do with running a business? Well, a lot actually. Just as a sports coach hones the skills and potential of their team to achieve victory, a business leader can use similar techniques to steer their team towards success. By adopting these methods, you can foster an environment of growth, open communication, and improved performance. Imagine transforming your business into a winning team where every player is working towards a common goal. Sounds incredible, right? That's the power of applying coaching techniques to business management. So, are you ready to explore these techniques with us? Let's get started. Firstly, we need to understand what coaching techniques are. In the field, these are strategies used by coaches to bring out the best performance in their players. But what does that mean exactly? Well, let's start with something familiar: goal setting. It's something we all do, in one way or another. In a sports setting, a coach might set a goal for a player to make a certain number of successful passes in a game. In business, this could translate to setting a goal for a sales team to reach a certain quota by the end of the quarter. In both cases, the aim is to provide a clear target to work towards, a tangible measure of success. Then, there's feedback. This is where the coach observes performance, notes areas for improvement, and communicates this to the player. In a game, this might look like a coach telling a player to adjust their stance to improve their shot accuracy. In a business context, a manager might provide feedback to an employee on how to improve their presentation skills. Constructive feedback is crucial for growth and development in any setting. Next, let's talk about motivation. A coach might motivate their player with encouraging words or by reminding them of their past successes to boost their confidence. In a business context, a manager might motivate their team by highlighting the potential benefits of reaching their goals or by recognizing their hard work and achievements. Motivation is the fuel that drives us to keep pushing, to keep striving for success. Finally, there's mentoring and counseling, where the coach provides guidance and support to help the player overcome personal challenges that may be affecting their performance. Similarly, in a business context, a manager might mentor an employee, helping them navigate through personal development and career progression. In summary, coaching techniques involve more than just telling someone what to do. They're about setting clear goals, providing constructive feedback, keeping motivation high, and offering support and guidance when needed. Now that we have an understanding of these techniques, let's see how they can be applied in the business world. In the office, managers can act as coaches for their team, using similar techniques to bring out the best in their employees. This is not just a statement. It's a philosophy that has the power to transform workplaces everywhere. Let's dive into how each of the coaching techniques we've discussed earlier can be applied to business. Firstly, goal setting. This is a crucial step in coaching, as well as in business. Managers, just like coaches, should work with their team members to set clear, achievable targets. This not only gives employees a sense of direction, but also a sense of purpose. It's like setting the finish line in a race. Once you know where you're heading, you can start planning the best way to get there. Next, feedback. In the sports world, feedback is immediate and often brutal. In the business world, it should be timely and constructive. Managers can use feedback to help employees improve, to guide them towards the goals they've set. It's not about pointing out faults, it's about fostering growth. Now, let's talk about motivation. Coaches use various techniques to keep their athletes engaged and driven. Similarly, managers can use rewards, recognition, and even simple words of encouragement to keep their team members productive and passionate about their work. Remember, a motivated team is an efficient team. Then there's the role of a mentor. Coaches often act as mentors, providing guidance and support beyond the field. Managers too can take on this role, helping employees navigate their career paths and personal growth. This fosters a sense of trust and respect, strengthening the bond between manager and employee. And finally, we come to counseling. Just as coaches help athletes deal with pressure and setbacks, managers can provide a listening ear and empathetic support to their team members. This is especially important in today's high-stress work environments, where mental health is just as important as productivity. Now let's look at neuro-linguistic programming, or NLP. This is a technique used by many successful coaches to improve communication, personal development, and psychotherapy. In the business world, managers can use NLP to better understand their team members, to communicate more effectively, and to create a positive work environment. So you see, the world of coaching and the world of business management aren't so different after all. The same techniques that coaches use to guide their athletes to victory can be used by managers to guide their teams to success. But that's not all. There are more techniques that can be transferred from the field to the office. The journey from the locker room to the boardroom is a fascinating one, and we're just getting started, so stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of coaching techniques and their application in business. Aside from the basic techniques, there are more advanced strategies that can be employed for effective business management. Let's dive into some of these advanced coaching techniques, which take us beyond standard practices. One such technique that has gained significance in recent years is neuro-linguistic programming, or NLP. But what exactly is NLP? It is a psychological approach that involves analyzing strategies used by successful individuals and applying them to reach a personal goal. It relates thoughts, language, and patterns of behavior learned through experience to specific outcomes. How does NLP tie into business coaching, you may ask? Well, it's all about improving communication, building rapport, and positively influencing others. In a business setting, this can prove to be a game changer. For instance, consider communication. A business manager using NLP techniques can understand and utilize the language patterns of their team members to communicate more effectively. This doesn't just mean using the right words, but also understanding the underlying emotions, motivations, and beliefs that drive a person's actions. By doing so, a manager can tailor their communication style to match that of their team, leading to a more harmonious and productive work environment. Next, let's talk about building rapport. In the world of NLP, rapport is the ability to enter someone else's world, to make them feel that you understand them, that you have a strong common bond. It's about being on the same wavelength. And in a business setting, rapport can be the difference between a team that merely coexists and a team that truly collaborates. NLP techniques can help managers build this all-important rapport, fostering a sense of unity and shared purpose. Lastly, NLP can be used to positively influence others. This is not about manipulation, but about guiding team members towards better outcomes. Through understanding and utilizing NLP techniques, a manager can influence their team's attitudes and behaviors, encouraging more positive, productive patterns to emerge. This could be as simple as helping a team member reframe a challenge as an opportunity, or as complex as guiding a team through a major organizational change. So you see, these advanced coaching techniques aren't just about adding more tools to your managerial toolkit. They're about fundamentally changing the way you interact with your team. They're about moving away from a directive, top-down style of management and embracing a more collaborative, coaching-based approach. And the benefits of this approach are clear. Improved communication leads to fewer misunderstandings and more efficient work. Strong rapport fosters a positive team culture and increased job satisfaction. And positive influence can guide your team towards better performance and more successful outcomes. With these techniques, managers can truly act as coaches for their teams, helping them to perform at their best. So there you have it. Coaching techniques can be a valuable tool for managers in any business setting. The power of coaching lies in its capacity to unleash potential, improve performance, and transform perspectives. We have journeyed through the fundamental coaching techniques and seen how they can be applied in your business. From the office to the field, these techniques are not confined to any environment, proving their versatility and effectiveness. We delved into advanced strategies like neuro-linguistic programming that can elevate your management style to new heights. These methods open avenues for deeper understanding and connection with your team, fostering an environment conducive to growth and success. But remember, the best techniques are those that resonate with you and your unique management style. We hope you found these tips useful. Now we want to hear from you. Which tip did you like the most and would like to work on? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more business insights. Thank you for watching, and stay connected for more amazing videos.